Hello and welcome to this B1 Intermediate lesson 54. Today we are doing a Wordspot lesson and our word today is make. So here I have a list of words and phrases in a box. Let's read those first. A cup of tea, a mess, a phone call, angry, cry, dinner, feel, friends, noise, and profit. I want you to complete the gaps in these sentences with words from the box. Let's do the first one together. So, wait a minute, I need to make a phone call before we go out. Have you got Anna's number? Okay, so I want you to complete the gaps in the sentences with words from the box. If you need to, pause the video, and when you're ready, I want you to listen and check your answers. Okay, let's see how you got on. B. His new internet company, Opportunities.com, made a big profit in its first year. His new internet company, Opportunities.com, made a big profit in its first year. So, made a big profit, that is making something. C. Are you hungry? I'll start making dinner if you want. Are you hungry? I'll start making dinner if you want. Making dinner, you're producing something. D. Stella's already made lots of friends at her new school. She's very happy there. Stella's already made lots of friends at her new school. She's very happy there. E. That new washing machine is making a very strange noise. That new washing machine is making a very strange noise. Again, similar to making dinner, making a noise is producing something. F. You look really tired. Sit down and I'll make you a cup of tea. You look really tired. Sit down and I'll make you a cup of tea. So making a cup of tea, that's producing something, like making a noise, making dinner. They're producing something. What about G? Our maths teacher is really horrible. She nearly made Lucy cry the other day. Our maths teacher is really horrible. She nearly made Lucy cry the other day. So made Lucy cry. This isn't producing something. It isn't making something, but it is causing something. Causing something with the verb cry. What about H? Andrew really makes me angry. Why is he always late? Andrew really makes me angry. Why is he always late? Again, makes me angry. That's not making something or producing something, but it is causing something. It's causing a reaction. So this is causing something, not with a verb, but with an adjective. Makes me angry. What about I? You can only use this room if you promise not to make a mess. You can only use this room if you promise not to make a mess. So this is similar to making dinner, making a noise, making a cup of tea, making a mess. That's producing something. What about J? I hate flying. It makes me feel really ill. I hate flying. It makes me feel really ill. Again, this isn't making something or producing something. It's causing something with a verb, similar to made Lucy cry, makes me feel. Okay, let's see which of those phrases you can remember. Can you remember any phrases with make for producing something? Making dinner, making a very strange noise, make you a cup of tea, make a mess. Can you remember any phrases that simply make something? He makes $5,000 a month. The company made a loss last year. Make a big profit. Now we have, what about cause something? Make with an adjective. Makes me angry, makes me happy, makes me sad. What about causing something? Make a verb. Made Lucy cry, makes me feel really ill. She made us wait. He makes me laugh. Any other phrases that you can remember? Make a mistake, make a speech, make a decision, make a bed, made a phone call, made lots of friends. I want you to have a think. What are some things that you think of? Things that make you angry? Traffic jams, people who are rude, people who are late, problems on public transport. Can you think of things that make a lot of noise? Babies crying, men repairing the roof, thunder, planes flying over your house. Can you think of reasons why people make speeches? To celebrate a wedding, to talk about ideas at a political meeting, to say goodbye to someone who is leaving a company. Can you think of things that are made in Scotland? Whiskey, tartan, kilts, shortbread, which is a type of biscuit. Can you think of things that you can make with eggs? Cakes, omelettes, sauces. Can you think of mistakes that you often make in English? Do you forget the third person S? Do you forget the article? Well done. I want you please to think, what is one thing that makes you angry and one thing you like to make at home? I want you to write your sentences in the comments using make. Please don't forget to subscribe and show your support. And coming next, lesson 55, we will be looking at conditional sentences with would. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.